Google Wallet can now fetch tickets and boarding passes from Gmail. From your Google Wallet, you can now fetch your movie tickets and travel boarding passes from your Gmail account. The feature has been included on Google Wallet with the latest update, with the company announcing that in the developer release notes for Wallet, that Google Wallet is now able to automatically pull movie tickets and traveling passes by reading confirmation emails on Gmail. As the feature has long been supported on Google Wallet, what differentiates between its previous functioning and the updated one is that it earlier required manual fetching. However, with the app being updated, it no longer needs manual efforts, as it now automatically retrieves data from Gmail. Note that the feature is accessible to select some movie chains and airlines globally. Meanwhile, Google is working to expand support in the near future. Google said in the developer notes of Google Wallet's latest update, movie tickets and boarding passes from Gmail are now surfaced in the Google Wallet when a user buys a ticket and gets a confirmation email in their Gmail. This integration is live for some global movie chains and airlines, and we're working to expand this. Moreover, what further restricts the fine working of the feature is that it's capable of importing data only from the emails that include full QR code or boarding passes in them. Given that, results fetched by the users are bound to differ depending on the email platform they use, with Google stating that the feature is now tweaked to better show date and time alongside moving app-linked data definitions to a more prominent location on the front of the pass. App-linked data definitions lets users navigate to the platform from where they generated the pass. Automatic import of tickets and boarding passes is on Google Wallet and is also now available on Wear OS as well.